Hi there, this is Ken at Parallax. Today's January 6, 2025. If you're in a classroom today, you may notice that the Learn website is behaving a little bit differently. That's because we have put it on a new infrastructure, which has a huge benefit to us that I'll show you in a minute. First off, though, you might encounter some navigational difficulties. For example, if you click on the Cyberbot tutorials, and let's say I choose the visible light navigation. In the past, you will have seen all the chapter headings on the left side. Now you get to them by clicking on Continue. As you open up Continue, you will see that all the chapter headings are now on the left. Also, if you're an educator who has a PowerPoint presentation or a Google presentation or Canvas or some syllabi that points to links within Learn, those links may have changed. So I just want you to be aware of that. The benefit of this new site is tremendous. First off, the search engine tool works really well. So, for example, if I type in keyboard navigation, thank you, I get this keyboard control tutorial that I'm looking for right away. This was not always the way in the past. And here you can see I'm controlling 20 cyberbots from a single computer. Pretty awesome. Educators, you may need to reset your password when you log in. Also, coming later this week, we are releasing make code tutorials for the Cyberbot. So you will be able to program the Cyberbot in block codes now. So this is pretty darn exciting. It is a mix of technical information and really easy programming. If you have trouble this week with anything, just call the Educator Hotline, 916-701-8625. I am personally answering the hotline, or send us an email at education@parallax.com. We know that you rely on this website. We do not want you to wait around if you're having difficulty, and we're here to keep your class going. Okay, happy 2025. Thank you.